Hi there students. So today I'm going to discuss the all MCQ questions of the 2024 as well as 2025. Three question paper and three question paper. Only MCQ. Before I start the class, so I want to wish you all the best for your examination 2026. So all the best dear student. So now I will start the questions. I will solve all questions. There is no chapter wise, so including all the chapters. So the first question is the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3, and the relation is defined as 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 3. So the definition of reflexive is nothing but if the set contains 1, 2, 3, then they have to relate it to themselves. Then 1 comma 1 is there, 2 comma 2 is there, 3 comma is there. Then it means it is automatically reflexive. And what about symmetry? The each and every order pair of the element has a reverse element. It means the 1 comma 2 is there, इसका उल्टा वैल्यू भी होना चाहिए. The 1 comma 2 उल्टा वैल्यू is 2 comma 1. So 1 comma 2 is there, but 2 comma 1 does not there. So it means what? It is not a symmetric. And what about transitive? So here it is, 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3. 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3. The 1 has to be related to 3, but 1 comma 3 is not there in the relation. So it is not a transitive, not a symmetry. It is only reflexive relation. So I hope the first question is clear. And the f is mapping from z to z, and z is a set of integer is defined as f of x equal to 3x. So here it is 1 1 or on 2. We need to check for the this function f of x equal to 3x. So the function is 1 1. It means the z to z, you can consider the two elements 0 1 2 3, and also 0 1 2 3, and minus 1 minus 2, so on. So if you are substitute 0, you will get a 0. If you are substitute 1, you will get a 3. If you are substitute minus 1, you will get a minus 3. So in this case, the function has, and all each and every element of set has a distinct element in a set B. It defines what? It is a 1 1 function. And what about onto? So onto defines there is no element left in the second set B. So some elements are left here 1 2 and 4 5 and 7 8. So because it is not a onto, f is 1 1 but not a onto. The principal value branch of sine inverse x. Here they are asking the range of the sine inverse x, that is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and you need to remember all other five also. And this is the aij 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by aij I by j, though you can do it yourself, it is very easiest. So a11 a12 a21 as well as a22, you just need to put the I and j value, you will get the answer. A is a invertible matrix of 2 cross 2, determinant of A is 5, and they are asking determinant of A inverse, and you know the value of determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A, then it will be a 1 divided by 5. And second, function mapping from real number to real number, then defined as f of x equal to greatest integer function, and they are asking for what values of x in the interval 2 to 5. In the interval 2 to 5, f is not differentiable. It is very simple, and you know the greatest integer function rule. F is continuous at non-integral values and discontinuous at integral values. It means what? It is continuous and it is what? Discontinuous. So continuous at non-integral value and discontinuous at integral value. Discontinuous is there, then it is not differentiable. Continuous is there, then it is differentiable. It is a common. And here the numbers are given in 2 to 5 open interval. What are the values are there here? 3 and 4. These are the integral value. At 3 and 4, the function is not differentiable. I hope it is clear. And now sine of x square plus pi. Already you know the differentiation of sine dabba, that is nothing but cos dabba differentiation of dabba. The differentiation of x square plus pi, it is nothing but cos of x square plus pi into differentiation of x square plus pi. Cos of x square plus pi as it is, differentiation of x square plus pi is what? 2x. Then 2x into cos of x square plus pi is the answer. Next, the maximum value of the function f of x equal to x. X belongs to 1 2. So 1 2 is there, then the maximum value will be 2 only, rather than will not get any maximum value. And here they have given the function sec x into sec x plus tan x. So take that sec x inside. Sec x into sec x are sec square x. Sec x into tan x will be sec x into tan x. Sec square x and plus integral of sec x into tan x. And already you know the integral of sec square x is tan x, and integral of sec x into tan x is nothing but sec x. It means what? Sec x plus tan x is the answer. I hope it is clear. And here it is, the function is there, e to the power x sin x plus cos x. One property is there, e to the power x f of x plus f dash of x is there. Then the answer will be e to the power x and f. Here sin x का differentiation होता है cos x. It means it is f, then it is f dash. E to the power x f plus f dash. Then answer will be e to the power x into f. Then answer is e to the power x into sin x. So I hope the projection of the vector A is equal to I 3j 7k along the x-axis. Along the x-axis means you need to take the I component. So I का बाजू कितना वैल्यू है? 1 है. Then the answer is 1. If they are asking y-axis, then you have to take the component of j. If they are asking the z-axis, then you have to take for the k. Then the component of k will be 7. Here it is the answer. The neighbor of the I is 1, the constant. The unit vector in the direction, and you know the unit vector in the direction of the A vector. The formula is A vector divided by magnitude of A vector. So ij2k, ij2k is there. What is the magnitude of this one? The magnitude of this one will be 1 square 1 square 2 square, then it will be root 6. This vector divided by magnitude of that vector, then the answer is B only. And now the question number 13. If a line makes 90, 135, 45 with x, y, z, then they are asking direction cosines. It is alpha, beta and gamma. Cos alpha ले लो, cos beta ले लो, cos gamma ले लो. Cos alpha, cos 90 ಏನದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ 0, and cos 135. How to solve cos 135? 90 plus 45. It is a second quadrant. Second quadrant means what? It will be negative and changes. Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. The second value is minus 1 by root 2. And you know cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Which option it is there? The option is C. Sorry, C, not C. It is a A. I hope the answer is A. And 14th one. Which of the following is a non-negative? It means what? Positive constraint in a linear programming problem. It means what? X and Y values should be positive. The answer is C. If two cards are drawn without replacement means what? There is no exchange. It means the total 52 cards are there here, then the probability that both the cards are black. So the first card will be black, then the chances is 26 by 52. Without replacement means what? Totally remaining cards are 51 and totally black card. So totally black cards are 26. So in that already have drawn one and remaining only 25. 26 ones are 26 twos are 51 into 2 is 1 not 2, and 25 into 1 is 25. Is there any option? Yes, option D. The answer is D only. Now come to the fill in the blanks question. Sine of cosec inverse of 2. Here there are two possibility. You can go through the property cosec inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 1 by x. Here cosec inverse of x you can write sine inverse of 1 by x, then it will be sine inverse of 1 by 2. Then these are property, answer will be 1 by 2. और यू कैन टेक कोसेक इनवर्स ऑफ 2 कब आएगा, वो 30 डिग्री को आएगा। 30 डिग्री साइन 30 डिग्री कितना हो जाएगा, 1/2 हो जाएगा। दोनों करेक्ट ही है। इफ ए इज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 × 2, then determinant of a is equal to 8, and the one property is there in determinant, k into a is equal to k into determinant of a. If the order of the matrix is 2, if the order of the matrix is 2, then you will get a 2 square because it is a 2 square. Here if the order of the matrix is, 1 minute, if the order of the matrix is 2 cross 2, then you will get a k square. If the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3, then you will get a k cube. That is, you know, ka is equal to kn a, because n is the order of the matrix. Here it is 2 cross 2, then 1 by 2 will come outside with the 1 by 2 square determinant of a, 1 by 4 determinant of a. I hope something you understood. And here it is 8 is there, 1 by 4 into 8, 1 za 2 za. The answer will be 2 for the this option. Is it clear? So 1 minute. So the answer is what? This one. The answer is 2 itself. Next, the order of the differential equation. Order, they are asking order, not degree. So degree is not defined for this question, you know already. And the order itself, it is a 3. Two lines with a direction ratio 1, 3, 5 and 2k10 are parallel. Then the value of k. It is very simple. You know L1 into L2 direction ratios. A1 into A2. You can do it. You will get the k value. If F is an event of a sample space S, P of F is not equal to 0, then probability of sample space given by F. And you know probability of sample space given by F, probability of S intersection F divided by probability of F. The bigger set is S only, then itself it is a probability of F divided by probability of F. Intersection, why sir it should be 1? Yes, intersection F, answer will be F only, because F is subset of yes, whatever the elements are there in the set F, that will be belongs to yes, then the common will be only a smaller set. Because of that, answer will be 1 for this one. And now this is the 2024 first question paper, and now we need to solve the 2024 second question paper. This is the 2024 second paper. Same question. Here, let R be the relation in the set N given by R is equal to AB. ಇದಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 6, ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 6 ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇರಬೇಕಾ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. 2 4 is satisfied, but 4 is not greater than 6. And now 3 comma 8, 3 equal to 8 minus 2, it is not possible. 8 minus 2 is 6 होता है. 6 comma 8, 6 is equal to 8 minus 2 होता है. 6 equal to 6, then option C. This is also not. And x square is there, and you know R to R, this is the graphical representation of x square. Whenever you are taking a parallel axis to the x-axis, then it cuts 2 times, then it is not a 1 1, because minus 1 plus 1 square किए तो आंसर आएगा 1, then it is not a 1 1. Hence also is not a onto, because codomain is real number and the range is only 0 to infinity. Because of that, it is not a onto function, neither 1 1 nor onto. The domain of the cos inverse x, and you know already the domain of the cos inverse x is minus 1 to 1, direct answer. The number of all possible matrices of 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 and 1. How many entries are there here? The totally 2 entries. How many values are there? 9 values. How 9 values, sir? Here 3 cross 3. How many elements? 9 elements. So it means what? The two possibility 9 values. Then the answer is pi 1 2. 1 2 to the power 9. You will get the answer. And now 3x, then the value of x. 3 3 into 1 will be 3, x into x will be x square. 4 3 minus 4 into 2 8. You will get 3 3 cancel, minus x square equal to minus 8. Don't cancel, x equal to root 8, then plus or minus 2 root 2. You will get a plus or minus 2 root 2. And here is also they are asking the function greatest integer function is continuous. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, it is continuous at non integral values and continuous discontinuous at integral values. So I hope, so here it is the non integral value is 1.5. In this place it is continuous, here it is discontinuous. Again they are asking sine dabba, the cos of ax plus b, differentiation of ax plus b. Cos of ax plus b, what is the differentiation of ax plus b? It will be a only, x as it is plus b is 0. The rate of change of the area of the circle with respect to radius. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. And what is the differentiation change with respect to r? dr by dr, pi as it is 2r at r equal to 6. Pi into 2 into 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 5 is the answer. And here it is also in the first question paper they were asked the cosec and tan. Here they ask cosec and cot. Cosec x into cosec x, it will be cosec square x. Cosec x into cot x will be cosec x into cot x. इंटीग्रल करो cosec square का minus cot x. Cosec x into cot x will be minus cosec x. Then the answer is minus cot x minus cosec x plus c. And here they ask the 1 by 1 plus x square. The answer for this one will be direct formula tan inverse x 0 to 1. Then tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. And you know already tan inverse of 1 will come at a 45 degree. Tan inverse of 0 will come from a, can anybody? So tan inverse of 0 will be 0. Then the total answer is 45 degree. It will be pi by 4. So the next question is the unit vector in the direction of the vector. That is a vector divided by magnitude of vector. Very simple. And it is a repeated question. That is root 6 is the answer. The angle between two vectors a and b with magnitude 1 2. अरे बाप रे, a dot b. What is the cos theta formula? A dot b divided by magnitude of a, magnitude of a. इसका आंसर 1 है, इसका 1 है, 2 है, तो 1 डिवाइड बाई 2. तो 1 डिवाइड बाई 2 कब आएगा? 60 डिग्री को आएगा. So I hope. Next, the direction cosines of y-axis. The direction cosines of y-axis. It means y only present. Direction cosines of x-axis, this one. समझे ना? So the now answer is C. Answer is C. The maximum value of z 3x plus 2y at the points 5 0 0 5 4 3. Don't worry, take the corner points and the z equation, which one is the highest, that is the answer. Very simple question. Now they have given the probability of a given b. They are asking a given b and given a b intersection. So what is the formula of probability of a given b? Probability of a intersection b divided by probability of b. What is probability of a intersection b value? 4 by 13 divided by what is probability of b? 9 by 13. 13 13 cancel, 4 by 9 is the answer. Now fill in the blanks. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. And you know already sine inverse of minus theta minus sine inverse theta. then pi by 3 sine of pi by 3 minus minus plus sine inverse of 1 by 2. And you know already sine inverse of 1 by 2 answer will be 30 degree, that is pi by 6 sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Pi by 3 60, 30, 60 plus 30 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಾ 90, sin 90 will be 1. So the value of determinant of 2a, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 multiplication ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 2 4 8 2, it means 4. ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 2 4 the 8, 8 4 the 32. What is 8 minus 34? 32 minus 24. The order of the differential equation, they are asking order, highest differential 2. Next, the lines are perpendicular, and you know the condition for perpendicularity. Here it is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 is equal to 0 kar do, you will get the p value, isn't it? So I hope if they are asking parallel, the ratio of the constant value will be same. Let A and B independent events. Probability of A is 0.3. Probability of B is 0.4. They are independent events means what? A intersection B will be probability of A into probability of B. 0.3 into 0.4. The answer will be 0.12. So I hope these two question paper are clear. So now 2024, the third question paper. 2024 third question paper. 1 2 3 1 2. There is no pairing element. 1 2 3 is there. 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 ಇದರ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 comma 2 ಅದ. ಸೊ 2 comma 1 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತ. ಸೊ there is no 2 comma 1, then it is not a symmetric. And what about transitive? No pairing element is there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ transitive हो जाएगा. I hope this is the transitive. Now the greatest integer function r is mapping to r, f of x equal to greatest integer function. So already you know the graph of greatest integer function. This is closed, this is open, close, open. So at this point it is a, here it is, how many values are there here? So many values, then it cuts more than, or if you not understood that, don't worry. Greatest integer of 1.1, answer will be 1. 1.2 will be 1. Then the same answer is there, 1.1 1.2 have a same image, then it is not a 1 1. If it is not a 1 1, then you need to check for the onto. Then how to find the onto function? So what is the range of this function? Only set of integer. What is our code main? Real number. Then it is not a onto function, hence it is not a 1 1 function, not 1 1, not onto. Now sine of tan inverse x, this is very easiest question. Consider tan inverse x is equal to theta. X is equal to tan theta. Now here in this all four option you have to substitute tan theta as a x. If you are getting sin theta for that answer, you will get the answer. Here you can't substitute tan theta. 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square, there is no formula. If you are substitute x equal to tan theta, then it will be 1 divided by 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is secant square. 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta. It is not a sin theta. So the last option is this one. You can substitute now. Tan theta divided by sec theta. Sec theta ऊपर आएगा, cos theta. Tan theta you can write sin theta upon cos theta. दोनों will be cancelled, sin theta. I hope it is clear. So the option D is. For 2 cross 2 matrix, you can do it 2i minus j. Very simple, I value and j value you have to substitute. A11, A12, 21, 22. And now 1 2 4 2. Then determinant of 2a, it is also simple. First multiply 2. I hope you solved now only. 2, 4, 8, 2. So, or you can take that 2 cross 2 is there. If 2 comes outside, it will be 4a. Next, tan dabba. What is the differentiation of tan x secant square x into differentiation of ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ 2x plus 3. What is 2x plus 3 differentiation? It is only 2. Then 2 times sec square of 2x plus 3. Here the very property is there. Seventh question. Log 7 of log of ex. So, we know that property log mx is there. We want log ex and you have to send that log em. You have to remember this property. I hope you understood this property. That is nothing but log any constant value is there k. If you want to substitute log ex, log e k. Then here log 7 of log x, log 7 of log x, you have to write like this: 1 by log 7, then log e of that value, that is log x. So 1 by log 7 is common. You have to differentiate log of log x. What is the differentiation of log dabba? It is 1 by dabba differentiation of dabba. There were log 7 as it is. 1 by log 7 as it is. 1 by log x as it is. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So the answer is 1 by x log 7 log x. The answer is option C. And the maximum value of the function, maximum value of the function does not exist, because what is the graph of the modulus function? This is the modulus function graph. This is minimum value is there 0 and there is no maximum, it will go upside, so there is no limit. I hope it is clear. Also same for x square, and it will be repeated for the minus modulus x. Maximum 0, minimum does not exist. Same also minus x square. And now it is a odd function sine 7. It is clearly 0. The vector components of the vector initial point to 1 and terminal point minus 5 7. Now you can do this one: minus 5 minus 2, 7 minus 1, minus 5 minus 2, minus 7, 7 minus 1 6, minus 7i 6a, minus 7i 6a. If a is a non-zero magnitude alpha so it is very simple now. You can do it. यूनिट वेक्टर होने के लिए लैम्डा ए क्या होना चाहिए? The direction cosines of y-axis. It is a repeated question. In LPP, any point outside the feasible region is called a infeasible region. So next, if A and B are any two events such that probability of A is 1 by 2 and probability of B is 0, A given B. What is the formula A given B? That is probability of A intersection B, probability of B. So probability of B 0 है, तो डिनोमिनेटर में 0 आया तो does not exist. It means not defined. Fill in the blanks. Now tan inverse of minus theta, that will be minus tan inverse of theta. Then pi by 3 becomes, it will be 2 sine pi by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 will come at 30 degree. Where 30 degree. Then you can write that 30 degree here. So simple. The answer for this one will be 30 degree. That is pi by 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 6 will be pi by 2. Outside 2 sine pi by 2 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 into 1 is 2. Here if A is a square matrix, determinant of A is 2, then A into A dash is equal to determinant of A, determinant of A dash. And determinant of A is nothing but determinant of A dash. So here both are equal. Then 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 is the answer. The order of the differential order will be highest. 3 is there. Then 3. Two lines whose directions a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are such that a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2, then the angle between them, it means if these ratios are same, then they are parallel. If they are parallel, what is the distance, what is the angle? 0. And for any event e of sample space, probability of e union e dash, here it is 0 and 4 3 2 1, probability of e union e dash, the answer will be 1. For this specific question, e union e dash, you will get only same probability of e union not e. So whatever the e is there and probability of 9, it is nothing but probability of universal, it means sample space. Probability of sample space is nothing but 1. The answer for this one will be 1. I hope these three question paper are clear. 2024 1 2 3 paper are completed. Thank you.